Hello everyone, welcome to IT with Ahmed. This is Ahmed Raza, IT Technical Advisor. In this course, we will learn all about the artificial intelligence. This is the basic overview about artificial intelligence, in which we will explore its definition, its uses, and difference between conventional programming along with AI programming. So let's start with the basic introduction and definition. Artificial intelligence is a way of making a computer-controlled robot, or a software think intelligently. In the similar manner, the intelligent human think. AI is accomplished by studying how human brain thinks and how human learn, decide and work while trying to solve a problem, and then using the outcomes of this study as the basis of developing intelligent software and systems. Well, if we make this statement shorter, then first we will assume how the human intelligence works. Human intelligence is all about the thinking and decision making. We are aware that human thinking capacity is unlimited, and we can learn from studying different things, doing experiments, and much more to be used as sources. Similar to that, if we talk about artificial intelligence, then we can say that it is the same as human intelligence but still limited. In artificial intelligence, human intelligence is used to build machines and software to sort out different problems. For example, we use different biometric systems to recognize pattern of finger and then decide whether the access to the system is granted or not. Okay, so next we'll talk about the goals of artificial intelligence. To create expert systems, the system which exhibit intelligent behavior, learn, demonstrate, explain, and advise its users. First, we need to understand what are the expert systems. Expert systems are made to be more efficient in working and decision making. An expert system is a computer system that emulates the decision making ability of human expert. Expert systems are designed to solve complex problems, reasoning through bodies of knowledge, represented as if-then rules rather than through conventional procedure code. Next is to implement human intelligence in machines, creating systems that understand, think, learn, and behave like humans. Okay, for this, we'll take an example. In this case, suppose a clerk is working in office and a person came to check a record. Now, there could be some complications in the record. The clerk sitting in the office will first check his documents and find the said record in different organized shelves. He will explore the document, and when he finally finds the record, then he will start tally the information written on the document. If the information is found valid and matching, he will stamp verified on the paper. Similar to that, in the computer system, the record is entered and it is checked whether the given information is correct or not. The system makes a decision whether to stamp verified or not. Okay, so let's talk about the applications of artificial intelligence. There are a lot of applications of artificial intelligence, but the gaming is most prominent, and some of the listed below. Artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in the strategic games such as chess, poker, etc., where a machine can think of large number of possible positions based on heuristic knowledge. If we explore further, AI has common use in the field of gaming. Modern games like PUBG, Battlefield, and Call of Duty, etc., have different modes where bot is system control player is a spawn, and when it triggers that you are near him, it shoots towards your direction, and when you shoot back, it makes instant decision to cover himself behind different objects. In the next, natural language processing. It is possible to interact with the computer that understand natural language spoken by humans. In natural language processing, the system is used to translate and decode and process different natural languages and work accordingly. For example, Siri, that is used in iPhones and Apple different devices. When you speak to an assistant like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri, it recognizes spoken words and takes the appropriate action according to what you have said to him. Expert systems. There are some applications which integrate machine, software, and special information to impart reasoning and advising. They provide explanation and advice to the users. We have already discussed in the previous slides and we have explored it briefly. Next, we will talk about the vision systems. These systems understand, interpret, and comprehend visual input on the computer. For example, police use computer software that can recognize the face of criminal with a stored portrait made by the forensic artist. That is very clear example. Next is speech recognition. Okay. Some intelligent systems are capable of hearing and comprehending the language in terms of sentences and their meanings while a human talks to it. It can handle different accents, slangs, words, noise in the background, change in human noise due to cold, etc. Well, if we take a look at that, speech recognition also being developed in artificial intelligence. If we explore it further, we will see different applications that eliminate the communication barrier between two people with different regions and different languages. It translates one language to another. So it is easy to understand for both people. Next is handwriting recognition. The handwriting recognition software reads the text written on paper by a pen or on screen by a stylus. It can recognize the shapes of the letters and convert it to the editable text. Yes, handwriting recognition also a major application of artificial intelligence where we can write things on the paper by using different applications. And we can see they scan them and they convert it to the handwritten. They convert the handwritten text into the editable text. We see a lot of applications like CamScanner, etc. In the last, we will talk about the intelligent reports. Yes, artificial intelligence is majorly used in the reports. Reports are able to perform the task given by a human. They have a sensor to detect physical data from the real world such as light, heat, temperature, movement, sound, bump, and pressure. They have efficient processors, multiple sensors, and huge memory to exhibit intelligence. In addition, they are capable of learning from their mistakes and they can adapt to the new environment. Well, major application of AI is about robotics, of course. We see a lot of robotics in the working industries for preparation of different products. It made, yes, of course, it made the production procedure speedy and efficient. If we further explore artificial intelligence, then we should know the difference between programming with AI and without AI. Let's explore. Programming without AI. What is programming without artificial intelligence? A computer program without artificial intelligence can answer the specific question it means to solve, also called conventional programming. If we see it further, if we explore, conventional programming is just a simple hard-coded structure which follows the given instruction and cannot do anything which is not instructed. While if we talk about the programming with AI software uses the techniques of search and pattern matching. These programs are based on machine learning to solve different problems instead of using the conventional programming. If we talk about the programming using AI, then the type uses decision making and algorithm to identify problems and take steps to solve the problem itself. That means that the program or the machine developed by the AI detects the problem and solve itself by its learning. That's all for this video. We have discussed a lot of things in the overview of artificial intelligence, and we will explore artificial intelligence briefly in further next videos. Hope you have liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.